Hello, welcome to Biology Lesson 3.06. The main thing we're going to talk about in this lesson is facilitated diffusion, which is the last form of passive transportation that we have on our sheet. I think we'll probably start active transport a little bit because we have it on this sheet, but we'll see how we're doing on time. All right, so let's just go back and review. Passive transport operates from it does not use energy, no energy in. Substances move from high concentration to low concentration. High concentration to low concentration. And so what we have here, here's our phospholipid bilayer. And we have two integral proteins, and we have three substances. So we're going to be working on this half of the paper. So I've got my red dots here, my red dots here, my orange triangles here, and my blue circles here, blue circles here. So you can hopefully see right away that I have high, so this is inside the cell. And this is outside the cell. Hopefully you can see that I have a higher concentration outside the cell of all of these things than I do inside the cell. So this first diagram is showing what would be simple diffusion, or it could be showing osmosis. So what possible compounds can my maroon dots be? Pause the video if you need to take some time to think about it. So if this is simple diffusion or osmosis, these could be carbon dioxide, oxygen, or water. But these other substances now, it's a little deceiving because they made these all about the same size. Realistically, they should have made these red dots about that big, because only substances that are really, really small can go directly across the membrane. So it's really kind of misleading for these to be so big. So maybe I should put a dot because it should be teeny like that. In fact, the blue circles are glucose, which is C6H12O6. So we have 24 atoms. 24 atoms. This guy has 3, that has 2, and that has 3. So we're talking about something that's 24 times larger. And our triangles we'll talk about in a second. But we show two different kinds of facilitated diffusion here. The orange are what are called ions. And this can be, let's say in this case, these are chloride ions. It could be sodium, potassium, calcium, but they're larger. You know, they're a large. It can be. So we have two kinds of additional. We have two kinds of facilitated diffusion. This is a. I'm going to pause the video for just a second here.